Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll completing the final task under getting started with deep learning. For that, you watch this video completely. After that, click on start button. Then we will wait for 10 to 20 minutes as usual. Until that, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will motivate me to create more content, guys, and it also helps me a lot, guys. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. So after getting the launch icon, click on the launch button and we will come here. Don't go for my numbers, guys, because of some problems. So my mic is not working, sometimes something is not working. For that I came to 32 or 42 here, guys. For you guys this will be 1, and in between if I have done the changes, you also do, guys. Not only for fixed, I have done the changes for the numbers also. Just watch my code thoroughly, guys. Many changes are there. Sometimes small letter I have done it, capital letter, something I have done, do for you guys also. So for me this will be 46 one, this, and for you guys this will be 3rd or 4th one. We will scroll down. Don't go for the numbers, guys, go for the code which I have written here. 47 is done for me. I'll just click on the run button for the another one. Okay, so here I'll just click on the run button for this one, and if you want you can take this as your project. I have repeated this every video because this is a unique kind of code and project, guys. If you want you can take this in your university level projects. Okay, so for me this is which number? 50 is done. C1 will be this one. For the sake of certificate you have to do sometimes like these kind of stuff, guys. Like I have run this more than 10 to 20 times, that's why it came. No issues. Okay, so 51 is done. We'll wait for this one to become. Okay, so after waiting for 10 minutes I got this, guys. Now we'll scroll down. Okay, this was 52, this will be 53rd, but for you guys the number will vary. I'm repeating once again. So we'll run this. See, if any changes I have done, you also do in your code, guys. Then only you will get the certificate. I'm repeating this because it's helpful for you guys. So 55 is done. Now we scroll down and we'll run this one. 56 is done. Now here comes the 57th one, the final one, accuracy. So we have passed that assessment with a score, guys. So if you want the certificate, you have to copy as it is. What all things I have written, the same thing you have to write here. Now we scroll down. If anything is left, so nothing is left. Now come here and after that click on access task. Then we'll wait for a while for the certificate to be generated. Copy this link, guys. This we need to paste in another tab. Then only we will get the certificate. We'll just copy this link and paste it in another tab. So you can see here I've got the certificate from NVIDIA, which is getting started with deep learning certificate here. So for the 2 steps I'll just show the certificate. So here I got the certificate. If you want the certificate, follow this and please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any kind of error, you just comment in the comment section. I'll be following you up as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching, guys.